Hello and thank you for return your help. I will try to do the calibration. I put the connector. I turn on the key and I'll see contact on. And I will push on the brake 7 times. I had too long beep. I do the calibration, neutral, manual, minus, 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 neutral. Too long beep. Too long beep. 3 times again. Too short beep. I turn off the key. Stand few moments. I take off the connector, yes. I will put my phone on the sensor, actuator. You had to heard different noise like your video, and now I have the neutral repair. I try it and you make a new video. Thank you very, 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 very much. I turn off again the neutral like you. I make it again on, and like you, I perhaps I stand perhaps to listen some noise like you. I make it. I don't have noise, but I'm in the neutral. I have neutral. I put on the brake. I turn on the key, and all is okay. I try. It's very nice. It's very good, right? It's working. I'm so happy, and I thank you very, very, very well. Tell me, what can I do to remercie you? I will write in France. This is the first try. I tried to drive the car after to do learning.
хорошие графики. С высокими результатами.
Toyota Yaris, Petrol, or Aygo, or Peugeot, or Citroën. And if you doing the calibration and not happen nothing, and you have the clutch actuator like this, you see, the shaft is fully out. So what the problem? You mixed up these two connectors. You need to change them. Remove motor, make the shaft inside maximum, change connectors, do calibration again.
Да я же...
I had to reverse two connectors. This one was in this part in the first time. I had to remove it, like you had to tell me, and I had to put in this sensor, and to make the other one in the other sensor. Thank you.